Welcome to Funko Digital Pops. Ziggy No back with an opening. We're going to open some Funko Pops. This one I just cut the label off, and I was pointing out, and I want to talk to you about checking the boxes, make sure they are all intact. So this one had a little opening here in the corner. Look at the box. This is I'll tell you, they got a lot of dust on them. They come out kind of dusty. Can you see the dust on that one? I'm not going to take it out right now and inspect it, but it does look good. It has its label. This is Sugar Pups Pete. Sugar Pops Pete, man. Welcome to the PC. No, that's not true. We'll see what we do with your PC or not. So Sugar Pops Pete came in. This is our, I think these are our Nickelodeons here. And then after I open these, I'm going to do another opening I got. So again, depending based on the two box. I like the packaging that Funko does for these. Now, again, I'm new to Funko. Some people complain that they should do a better job on packaging. This is not, not the best. And I have seen some other packages that are definitely more secure. Here we go. Let me go ahead and pop this guy open. And there we go. Again, very dusty. Very dusty. Look how dusty those guys are. Ooh. I will wipe them down later on before I submit them for grading. Arnold Shortman. I like it with the slime. Looks very, very well done. And Checky. That's, I have to say, man, very impressed. I really, hey, Arnold. I didn't realize, I thought they were all Rugrats. Arnold is a totally different show. I wasn't aware of that. So those are three. So we've easily got enough to make another submission to Pop Grading Services. But before we do that, let's open up this. This actually came from Pop Grading Services. Something I'm looking forward to. There are a lot of different ways to protect your Funko Pops. And those plastic Funko Pop protectors. There's called I don't know, the ones you have to fold. And you got those hard thingies. Here, I've got another option. Terrible boxing on camera. Somewhere it's mine, so doesn't make a difference. Check this out. Save that. Check this out. Drop something on the ground. So this is the base. Let me read that. Showy Otani. Like that base? I like that base, man. Check that out. And then talk about the cover. Look at this cover here. Now that's a cover. That's a cover, man. All right, you like that? These are called capsules. Now it looks like it's a slide-on cover. I kind of like that. You slide it on. You encase your Funko Pop in that. I'm going to go ahead and pull out. Let's go ahead and pull out the other one. Got two of these. My office is full of packing stuff here. I forget which ones I ordered. So you basically capsules you order, you tell them what the Funko is you have, the name that you want to have on there, like Shohei Otani, 2022, MLB, the number 81. That's the Funko Pop. And then they make the plaques and ship it to you. Now, the plaques, here's a couple things that it's for. Okay. This is like a $20 case on their website, $19.99, I believe. Oh, dig that. So check this out. hard case with that little lip thing that I like. Here's the base with feet, right? Here's the label, Tom Brady. But check this out. He sent me an extra nameplate. You could put in this nameplate if you want to. You go black. That's pretty darn cool. These are really nice engraved little nameplates that you could have. I assume you could order your own nameplates and get just put whatever you want in there. Let's take a second. Let me go ahead and get Tom and the Showy out. And we'll put them in their capsules. Okay, so here we go. Here are the two capsuled Showy Ohtani. Color match, red. And then you've got here, trying to hold these, Tom Brady. I mean, that is a, I mean, here's the funny thing. The case costs more than the Funko. Okay, so that's up to you on what you want to put in your capsule here, but I think that's pretty darn cool. I got to make some space up here in the display cabinet here for these Funkos, but you know, the cool thing, I'll tell you, one of the reasons I like about the capsules, for me, the capsules are about you could preserve a player Funko that you want until you get to get an autograph. So you like say I'm going to go for a Tom Brady, which I won't, because it's too damn expensive, or a Shohei Ohtani, probably too damn expensive too. But if you did, you take it, your Funko, to the event, right? Pop it out, drop it down, get it autographed, and put it back in here. And then here's the best part that I really like about Pop Grading Services. You could then take this in its capsule, ship this to Pop Grading Services. They'll grade it for you, and they're going to return back your capsule. You can use your capsule over. You could switch the nameplate out, put the next Funko Pop you want in it. My only negative that I will say that I see in this, and I'm going to give some feedback, this needs to be a little snugger. It just, or something needs to latch in there, because if I don't hold the base, it's going to fall out, right? So it's great this place. When I go to pick it up, I just pick up the top part, right? The bottom part stays. That's just one little piece of feedback. I'm sure that's something that, you know, can be corrected, and also feedback for anybody who's watching this video. I really like the capsules. I mean, just, and I have to say, something that is not doing enough justice are these labels. I like how the labels really present themselves to you in your office, in your desk, wherever that might be. I dig them. I dig them a lot. Dig them. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me your thoughts. What do you guys think?